Since walang kuryente sa buong Baguio, except I guess some parts, we are here at Camp John Hay. Nasa mini park kami. I don't know what this park is called. Pero it's part of the historical core where you pay yung 55 pesos if you're a blessed resident, and then you get to access this Bell House, Bell Amphitheater, Secret Garden, and this park, and yung um, historical trail, tsaka yung negativism something. Hindi ko alam. Ano kami dito? Wala masyadong tao. I mean, wala nga tao ngayon. Pero may mga paisa-isa, pa konti-konting mga pumapasok, picture, ganyan. Pero this is a nice place where you can have your quiet time. Literal na quiet time. Like, it's quiet here. Pero, if okay lang naman yung mag-picture-picture and all. Pero kung gusto yung like tambay talaga, you can bring card games, board games. You can paint, journal, read a book, or just be quiet. Anong oras na, lab? 5:56. 4 minutes na lang, may kuryente na. Ay, meron na. Kasi may ilaw na sila dun, no? Imposibleng naka-ano to. Naka-generator. Oo nga, may kuryente na. Hindi naman yata solar to.